Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief overview of Beacons.ai. Now this video will have everything you need to know before you dive right into Beacons.ai software. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the main page or website of Beacons.ai. You can just type it on your browser right here, Beacons.ai, and you should be able to see this landing page. And if you already have an account, then you can straight up log in, or if you want to sign up for an account, then you can do that over here. You just need to put in a username to start with a free link in bio. So you can get started with Beacons.ai. You also get $20 of Beacons credit for free if you claim your link in bio. All right, so everything creators need in one place, monetization made simple, all-in-one creator toolkit, and powered by AI. All right, so first up, Beacons.ai is a platform that helps creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses build customizable, mobile-friendly landing pages to consolidate their online presence. It is popular for its versatility and user-friendly interface. Now, let's try to take a look at these features right here. So we have the link in bio, get the link in bio built for growth, connected fans with your most important links and contents, stand out with your own branded page. Of course, we have the email marketing, build a direct line to your audience so you can send broadcasts and automate email sequences, connect directly with your fans with email built for creators. There's also a media kit, so you can win brand deals and get sponsored. So your best pitches yet are a few clicks away. Create an auto-updating media kit designed to wow brands and win deals. And finally, of course, the store, where you can start making sales. The smartest way to start selling digital products today. You can add a product, share, and sell in minutes from your link in bio. All right, so that's basically a glimpse of what you can sign up for with Beacons.ai. But let's try to talk about their key features here. So as you can see, there's a preview of what they have to offer, and it's all powered by AI. Now, the first or one of the key features of Beacons.ai is having customizable landing pages. So all your landing pages are fully customizable with templates to reflect your brand's identity. There's also drag and drop editor for ease of use, support for multimedia such as images, videos, and animations. You also have access to monetization tools where integrates the feature, or what do you call this? Beacons.ai integrates payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and more. You can also sell digital products, offer subscriptions, or accept donations directly through the page. Now for their social media integration, you can seamlessly link to multiple social media platforms. You have widgets for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Of course, these are the essential social media platforms that are necessary for today's marketing. So everything you need to sell on your store, you can easily promote or link your social media with. Of course, we also have the analytics dashboard. So you have detailed analytics on clicks, views, and conversions. And you can also track the performance of your links and campaigns. As for SEO optimization, you have tools to improve discoverability and ranking on search engines. You also have a custom URL support for better branding. For collaborative features, there's multi-user management for teams, role-based permissions to control access, and for embedded content, you can embed forms, videos, playlists, and external tools directly onto your page. And there's also support for email capture and market integrations. There's also free and paid plans, so you can offer free plans for basic use and premium options with advanced features. So if you want to subscribe to one, then it might be worth so that you'll have access to better features. And finally, there's mobile responsiveness. Pages are designed to work seamlessly on any device. So Beacons.ai, not just a link in bio, it's a full creator platform and everything you need to build a business in one place. No code or design team needed. Do it all from your AI powered link in bio. So right here, let's try to check what more info they have on this next generation. Link in bio. Your home base on the internet. There's a how-to section here with a video if you want to check that out. Here are some of the features. Connect channels, link your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, link content blocks, embed media, sell from your page, connect storefronts. So you can link directly to third-party storefronts like Amazon and other retailers to drive traffic and engagement where you want it. So it can also serve as a middleman for your main store, online store if you have one. There's also a collect tips. You can see here a tip jar, custom domain, collect emails, build your subscriber list by collecting fans' email address, engage followers in a new channel that you own and control completely. And you can also build on your phone. Beacons is designed to work for you in your element. Easily build, update, and customize your page in your phone browser or their iOS app. So they also have an iOS app if you want to check that out. So you have access to your Beacons.ai even if you're on the go. All right, so we have here the email marketing, or you can create and send emails to fans. Let's dive further into this. So you can send stunning emails your fans will love. Everything you need to build audiences, newsletters, and automation. So if you're building an online store, newsletters are also very beneficial so that you have a stable following with your customers. So this is a preview of what looks like a weekly vlog we have here. Smart, simple email, all on your terms. Unlimited emails. You can send as many emails to as many subscribers for a flat fee of $20 per month. You can capture emails from your link in bio. Don't let algorithms get between you and your audience. So here you can see the sample join my newsletter message to allow subscribers onto your page. Drive 60% more sale. Creators who use Beacon emails sell more digital products and earn 60% more revenue each month. Automate your marketing. After someone joins also you can actually build an automated process. So after someone joins a mailing list, you can choose a mailing list, then newsletter signups, and then they're going to be sent a welcome email. There's also real-time audience insights right here, email delivered, and we can see the updates right over here at the bottom part. Features that elevate your content. There are custom themes. We have free downloads, so breathing techniques to beat the stress. So you can have free PDF downloads. Image and videos right here, and then store products. So you have full control of what content you want to showcase onto your website. Then of course the online store. We have the media kit, invoicing, AI brand outreach, income dashboard for a nice report on your income analytics, and then other creator apps for integrations. So that's what you have when you sign up, or that's what you'll have access to when you sign up for Beacons.ai. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.